Turn your pictures or video clips into a World Cup-inspired event. Turn your simple picture into a highlight. Wrong flag. Why not turn your photo into a sci-fi football? Go to Stock Media, select AI Media, and look for video inspiration. Here, select UGC, then make sure you selected Sports. Under this category, you will be able to see so many AI presets. You don't need to write a prompt. I will be suggesting these 3 presets to generate your AI World Cup highlights. Let's start on this one. Simply attach your source file here or any photo of yours that you want to turn into a game highlight like this. Click Generate and wait for a few minutes for your file to be generated. You may check the progress here in AI creation tasks. Once it's done, you will be able to see the file under AI Media, My Files. I really like how it turned out, however, AI can always make mistakes. And as you can see, Cristiano Ronaldo right here looks like he is representing Brazil instead of Portugal. Up next is this creative shot through a phone screen. Again, simply attach your photo and wait for the wonder of this AI media generation. This one turned out good, although the clothing of this guy changed, but still a good outcome, since it's a fixed preset and we cannot change the prompt. Lastly is this fun and sci-fi looking like highlight. This is under Effects tab. Select Football Fever, and here you will see so many effects you can use for your future projects. Again, this is an effect, so you will need to drag and drop your photo on the editing timeline. Apply this effect, hit Generate, and wait for the result.